Protein makes the building blocks for the body. It is that vital element the body utilizes to make, grow, maintain and repair organs, muscles and skin. Kids need it to boost growth, while adults need it for proper functioning. Luckily, protein is naturally present in many foods as it's a very important part of the journey to a healthier version of you. Eating foods high in protein offers a range of health benefits like weight loss, feeling fuller for longer and muscle building. Wondering which delicious foods are dense in protein? Cottage cheese, chicken breast, black beans? Watch till the end to learn about foods that are delicious and rich in protein. Eggs, kicking off the list with a breakfast rock star. Eggs are a staple in kitchens across the globe and are considered to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. All the protein is concentrated in the whites while the yolks contain all sorts of varied nutrients. In fact, it contains almost every nutrient needed by the body. Quick to make, versatile and readily available, literally everywhere, the humble egg packs quite a punch. What is your favorite breakfast? Tell us in the comments section below. Chicken breast. A balanced diet is incomplete without chicken. Chicken breast is a great source of protein minus the fat. Preserve your metabolism by going for a well-seasoned, grilled, boneless chicken breast, with a side of veggies. Strengthening bones and building muscle has never been so easy. Low in sodium and packed with the goodness of natural vitamins, eating just 3 ounces of it regularly will keep your muscles looking toned as ever. Oats. Do you know that oats pack more protein than most other grains? Let's admit it, oatmeal is a little hard to love. However, when made properly with some bananas and milk topped with fresh berries and peanut butter, it doesn't taste that bad. Due to the rich protein, minerals and fiber content, oats should already be a breakfast staple. Other than that, oats can be a healthy, delicious and filling choice for people with gluten intolerance. Black beans. Black beans pack some serious protein content while allowing the body to process calories more efficiently. These beans can be prepared in a multitude of ways and reduce the chances of developing several chronic diseases. Next time you're confused about what to have for lunch, a power-packed shrimp and black bean salad or black bean taquitos can be your rescue meal. Beef. Humans have been eating beef since prehistoric times. It can be crowned as the king of protein. Eating it regularly supports muscle mass and growth and helps reduce feelings of lethargy. Did you know that out of the 10 essential amino acids, beef contains 8? This means that it also contains certain nutrients that supports cognitive function and ensures overall well-being. Cauliflower is not normally a favorite food, but it has good reason to be. Commonly referred to as broccoli's paler cousin, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants. It detoxifies, is full of fiber and provides a range of other beneficial minerals and vitamins. With very few calories and lots of protein, it's a great addition if weight loss is your goal. Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage or bok choy is a leafy green, lettuce-like vegetable. Adding a cup, chopped up, to your meals will replenish your body with antioxidants, vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. Being closely related to veggies like kale, broccoli and cauliflower, it doesn't have many calories and most come in the form of protein, anyway. A bowl of bok choy salad regularly will improve immunity, eye health, skin and hair health. Try it out. Peas. Peas are naturally sweet legumes, a common part of a typical American dinner. The health benefits of these vegetables are credited to the high levels of antioxidants and protein in just a limited amount. When compared to any other vegetable, peas have a relatively larger amount of protein. Eating just 1 serving of peas a day promotes gut health, heart health and aids weight loss. Chickpeas. Who doesn't love yummy, comforting hummus? Maybe it's time for you to hit the nearest falafel stand. Not only are chickpeas delicious, but they are packed to the brim with protein. Mostly found in Mediterranean, mindful diets, they are incredibly beneficial for weight management, managing diabetes, improving brain function and so much more. What makes them a nutritional powerhouse is the presence of bone, muscle and skin-friendly elements in just a humble bowl of chickpea salad. Quinoa. Quinoa is synonymous with the word superfood. Contrary to popular belief, it's a seed and not a whole grain. When it comes to plant protein and fiber, this superfood checks all the boxes. Unlike other plant proteins, quinoa is a complete protein, which means that it's packed with all 9 relevant amino acids. Toss in some quinoa with black beans or go for a more filling pilaf. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a healthier alternative to rice? Here are some amazing options you can try. Now back to protein-dense foods. Greek yogurt. The health benefits of Greek yogurt aren't a fad. It is thicker in consistency and contains more protein when compared to regular yogurt. Less in calories. The delicious Greek yogurt is filled with heart health supporting probiotics that also serves healthy digestion. A cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt topped with your favorite fruit and granola is a perfect, nutritional snack. Almond. Did you know that just 10 almonds provides you with as much as 2.5 grams of protein? They are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Eating just a couple of them a day improves appetite control, gets rid of toxic elements and controls blood sugar. Although almonds don't contain all the essential amino acids needed to build muscles, pairing them with other plant-based protein will do the trick. Lentils. Lentils are one of the oldest, nutritionally rich foods on the planet. However, not all of them are equal in nutritional value. Black lentils, one of the relatives of the legume family, contain the richest amount of protein when compared to other types. Other important minerals found in them include folate, fiber, potassium and iron. Do you know that 1 cup of cooked lentils combined with whole grains contains the same amount of protein as meat? Avocado. This green, pear-shaped fruit recently rose to fame for being a superfood. Everyone tried out the health benefits of avocado through their own versions of avocado toast. Its popularity owes to the fact that just 50 grams of avocado contains as much as 1 gram of protein. High in healthy fats, antioxidants and of course, protein, it also contains more potassium than a banana. From protecting heart health to keeping some cancers away, avocado is a healthy and deliciously protein-rich food. Chia seeds. The benefits of chia seeds were recognized during ancient times. Ever since then, the popularity has only gone up. These seeds go well with Greek yogurt, salad or oatmeal and load you up on antioxidants and essential nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds are packed with a whopping 4 grams of protein. They also promote weight loss by increasing satiety and keeping you away from snacking on unhealthy junk. Salmon. Fish and shellfish are densely packed with nutrients. This fatty fish helps reduce the development of certain diseases while boosting brain function and overall immunity. Adding just 100 grams of salmon in your everyday meals will give you around 25 grams of natural, high-quality protein. This protein protects bone health, muscle mass and slows down the aging process. Tuna. Tuna is a great choice if you're looking for some pure protein. While all fish have some amazing nutritional benefits, when it comes to protein, tuna is the clear winner. Having a can of tuna will provide you with 42 grams of protein, the highest amount you could possibly get from a fish-centered meal. Other than protein, did you know eating tuna as often as you can effectively reduces the chances of developing diseases like anemia, dementia and muscle loss? Tempeh. Vegetarian or not, tempeh deserves a shout-out. Made by fermenting soybeans, it is densely packed with rich essential minerals and vitamins. From protein to prebiotics, it is truly a powerhouse of nutrition and helps in reducing cholesterol, regulating blood glucose and reducing inflammation. Usually prepared with nuts, seeds, legumes or whole grains, it is significantly richer in protein and fiber. Tempeh taco, tempeh and edamame salad, the choice is yours. Broccoli. Remember hating broccoli as kids? Not anymore. This green vegetable is filled with a huge amount of protein, iron, potassium, folate and a range of vitamins and minerals. Being densely packed with such nutrients, this veggie holds the key to good health. Blitz them up into your favorite combination of green juice. Add them to any salad or curry to strengthen your bones, protect cardiovascular health and give your immunity a major boost. Turkey. The holidays just aren't the same without a filling turkey dinner. Not just for the holidays though, including them in your weekly routine is equally great. A single turkey sandwich contains enough protein to keep you full till your next meal, which promotes weight loss. The protein in it is extremely powerful and is used to repair and maintain bones, cartilage, skin, blood and tissues. Clearly, protein is one of those essential nutrients that you cannot ignore. For a healthy, well-balanced lifestyle, plant or meat-based protein is essential. Still wondering how protein will change your health for good? Take a look at this is what eating protein will do to your body. And top off your foods with these powerful seeds. Watch these 2 videos for more insight into protein and its functions. What is your favorite protein? What do you like to pair it up with? Fire off in the comments section.